What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Independent Experience. I'm IndyXP Bullion, and this is your morning market wake-up call for Thursday, September 17th, 2020. First off, I want to thank everybody that came to the premiere of my video last night where I poured silver for the very first time. It was a lot of fun. I loved interacting with you guys that came by, so thank you guys for making that a memorable event. Let's go ahead and take a look at the markets and see where we're going to be starting today off at. Gold is down, currently at 1955.13. Silver is also down, but it is making a rebound at 27.05. That gives us a ratio of 72.27. Platinum is down at 959.32, and palladium also down at 2449.75. In other metals markets, rhodium is down $300 at $13,600. Copper down is at $306. I hope you're catching on to the trend here. Nickel is down at $6.80. Aluminum is steady. Finally got one at 79 cents. Zinc is at $1.12, and lead is at 85 cents. One other item that is bucking the trend is crude oil. Crude oil is up, back over $40 at $40.24. We had a up and down day on Wall Street yesterday. The Dow closed up 36 points at 28,032.38. The NASDAQ was down 139 points at 11,050.47. And the S&P 500 was down 15 points at 3385.49. If you guys trade in Bitcoin, we did see it go over $11,000 yesterday, but we have come back down, back around the levels we were yesterday in the video. Morning market wake-up call was at, we're now at 10,873.56. And if you happen to exchange the Utah or Nevada Goldback, those are exchanging at $3.27 this morning. I do expect that to go down a few cents with the dip that we saw in gold overnight. In today's video, we are taking a look at an article that comes to us from KitcoNews. This one is entitled, "Why is Platinum Surging and Should You Be Investing?" I think this is a very important topic, guys. I know we're here in the silver stacking community. We look at mostly silver. We have a lot of guys here that also do gold. But is platinum one of those metals that is forgotten too easily? So let's go ahead and take a look and see what they have to say. Platinum is taking investors by surprise with an unexpected September rally, rising nearly $100 over the past 2 weeks. On Tuesday, that would be the 15th this week, platinum surged nearly 3% on the day, with October platinum breaching $980 an ounce. At the time of this writing, October futures were trading at $983.80. Quote, "Platinum and palladium made noticeable more pronounced gains than gold yesterday," said Commerce Bank commodity analyst Karsten Frisch. The tighter platinum market situation appears to be leading to higher prices. Last week, the World Platinum Investment Council, the WPIC, projected a supply deficit of 336,000 ounces for 2020, citing supply outages in South Africa and strong investment demand. Because of investor demand, the risks for future downsides in supply are building, the report said. For the platinum market, a deficit of 336,000 ounces is very meaningful and will support prices. There were several supply disruptions this year, including Amplet's outage at its ACP plants, Eskom disruption, and Impala said StoneX head of market analysis for EMEA and Asia, Rona O'Connell. That was a mouthful. Platinum prices are also benefiting from a large CTA buying program, said TD Securities commodity strategists. However, TD strategists expect this demand to taper off in the coming trading sessions. I think we are seeing that. It is down over $20 this morning so far. Industrial demand, on the other hand, has remained irregular, said O'Connell. There is only sporadic industrial interest at present, and the rise in ETF holdings just under 359,000 ounces so far this year does look like a perception of value, O'Connell said. The rise in platinum price could also be a technical one, O'Connell pointed out, noting that right now is the time that commodity funds are starting to look at rebalancing their portfolios for next year on the basis of worst performer gets weighted increase and vice versa. There we go. Also helping to fuel the current price rally could be efforts being made to particular resubstitute palladium with platinum in auto catalytic converters within the auto sector. Okay, we're going to implement this implementation. There we go. All right, would still be some months away given the regulatory requirements for calibration approvals, etc. Added O'Connell. Real quick on that, obviously we know that platinum is one of the metals that they use in catalytic converters, and they can change back and forth the composition inside of a catalytic converter from palladium to platinum and vice versa. But that switch actually takes about 9 to 12 months to do. So it's not something they just can throw a switch and it changes overnight. So even though we're seeing these huge run-ups in palladium, then it's not just easy for them to stop using palladium and start using more platinum in those catalytic converters. So let's continue. Despite the current rally, there are several headwinds for platinum going forward, including pressure on the auto sector and the moves towards electrification of vehicles, noted O'Connell. The platinum market is facing a series of headwinds, with the auto sector under pressure in Europe especially, and the continued move towards electrification, although hybrid vehicles still need an internal combustion engine, and the prospect for fuel cells is better than it has been since it was first mooted over 30 years ago, she said. StoneX is forecasting a surplus for this and the next year. Let's see, it says, and it sees demand lagging and not returning to 2019 levels until 2023. We have the platinum market in a fundamental surplus of 230,000 ounces, almost 2 weeks of global demand, rising to almost 600,000 ounces next year for 4 weeks global demand, said O'Connell. So, there are people out there that are saying there's going to be a deficit. There's people out there saying there's going to be a surplus. I think a lot of it has to do on a lot of different factors that are way, way outside the precious metals market. So let me know what you guys think. Are you guys investing in platinum? I've dabbled in platinum in the past. I don't have any currently, but that doesn't mean I'm not going to be looking at picking it up some here in the future. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I'd be very interested to hear what you guys have to say. I do want to give a big thanks to Gibby's Treasures. He purchased 2 bags for the El Fuego de Oro Pay Dirt Challenge yesterday. So, sir, I do greatly appreciate that. And that means we've only got 3 bags left, guys. 3 bags at $35 a bag. And then you can get in as soon as those bags are sold. We're going to go ahead and plan the painting party, and you guys will all be invited. We have a great time during those painting parties. If you're interested in getting in on the El Fuego Pay Dirt Challenge, let me know either down in the comments. I can reach out to you, or you can email me at indieguy711@gmail.com. I'll put that down in the description so you have that for you. Guys, I greatly appreciate every single one of you. And if you happen to appreciate Old Indie XP, why don't you go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me right there. It helps me out immensely. If you happen to be new to the independent experience and Indie XP bullion, why don't you consider hitting that subscribe and jingle jangle bell right there in the corner, bing bong, so you can keep up to date on when all the latest and greatest content comes out. Speaking of latest and greatest, right here is going to be the last video we did depending on when you're watching this video. It'll pop up. It'll be in this box right here. Make sure you click that at the end of this video so you can start working your way through the back catalog. Guys, I've been IndyXP Bullion from the Independent Experience, and I'm here again to remind you, if the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find your pockets heavy.